To fully experience life on Lopez Island, you have to find those special places full of natural beauty with special people. Today, that place is Lopez Island Farm. Bruce Dunlap and his wife Debbie have been living off the land here for 20 years. They have a thriving and diverse operation with sheep, pigs, a spinach seed plot, a farm stand, and an apple orchard used to make hard cider.
You know the line that without farmers you'd be naked, hungry, and sober?
Yeah.
Well, we cover all three of those things because we grow wool and meat and apples.
He was very interested in cider before it became popular and planted this orchard, so now we have the advantage of having a mature cider orchard when many people are just getting theirs started.
Yes.
This whole orchard is a mixture of about 15 different varieties that when put together have the right characteristics of acid and tannin and flavors. A lot of them are what are commonly referred to as spitters. You take a bite of one and you spit it out because they really don't taste that good.
Yeah.
But they make a delicious cider, and then when you ferment all the sugar out, you're still left with something that has some body and some characteristics.
Yeah.
Now Debbie's showing me the Honor System Market Store.
When we're fully stocked, we have all cuts of lamb and all cuts of pork.
Bet it tastes good.
It tastes great. Lopez lamb is a little bit milder than lamb that people may have gotten from other places, so sometimes people who don't like lamb like Lopez lamb. We even have reading glasses provided. You can add up your bill, leave your money in the box, and go home.
And be on your way.
Now Bruce and I are headed out to see the pigs.
So these are where our pigs spend this part of the year, in the woods.
In the woods.
And they love being in the woods.
Yeah.
Because it's
I
cool.
would too.
It's shady. You know, they get nervous when you first come in and they all run
Yeah.
away. And then they look over and go, oh, well, let's go check them out.
So I want to be on camera.
There's somebody new there.
I look pretty.
Those little grunty noises, those are happy noises.
Oh, good. That's good. They're not plotting my death.
No, they're just talking. Isn't that the epitome of a happy pig? Mm-hmm. This is their life.
Yeah. You guys got a good life.
Next, we headed toward the sheep pasture. Bruce leases a local vineyard for the sheep to go during dry months. There, the grass is quite literally greener.
So the sheep go back and forth several times a year through here. So you have to imagine we're walking along and there's 40 sheep in front of us.
I bet that's quite the sight to see.
You know, it's a
so
Lopez
the sheep-
experience. And you can see sheep hanging out down there in the corner.
Yeah.
I'll see if they'll hear me if I
Okay.
call.
Yeah.
Sheep, 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 sheep.
Oh, one of them.
Come and see Christy, sheep. 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 So they're coming out of everywhere, they're hiding. So when I'm moving them from one field to the other, this saves me having to walk all the way down to the other end of the field. Hi there, girls.
Hi.
Come say hi. Well, now they're distracted.
Yeah.
They have a short attention span. You know, it's a good life. And the other farmers are very helpful. There were people that helped me when I first started getting sheep, some of whom I still call when I have questions and problems. And I'm now finding that I'm getting called from people who want help with their sheep. It's sort of hard to believe that I'm the expert, but you know, after 20 years, you've seen a few things.
Sure.
I've made some really good friends here. If you need something, someone will have it. It's really a special place.